regarding effects of drugs and alcohol to seafarers in relation to sexually transmitted disease infections. The use of drugs and alcohol among seafarers can significantly increase the risk of contracting sexually transmitted disease. The risk stems from combination of challenging working environment, isolation, and reduced inhibition caused by substance use. Below are the specific ways and drug alcohol contribute to the issue.
The effects of drugs and alcohol on seafarers can significantly contribute to behavior that increase the risk of contracting sexual transmitted disease or STDs or infection STI. Excessive alcohol consumption impairs cognitive function, reducing the ability to make safe and rational decisions.
Drug and alcohol use among seafarers and the risk of sexually transmitted disease and infections is a significant concern. The nature of their work and lifestyle create vulnerabilities.
By addressing these challenges, the maritime industry can foster safer and healthier practices among seafarers, ultimately reducing the prevalence of STDs and substances-related issues.
The relationship between drugs and alcohol use among seafarers and the risk of sexual transmitted disease, STDs, and infectious STIs is a significant concern. The nature of their work and lifestyle creates vulnerabilities, lifestyle create that are substance use.